One very frequent situation that we see our users having is when they go to the billing module, they go through the checklist and come here to this option and bill the month, the period. In other words, create invoices for all the pending procedures for that period. Oftentimes, users forget though to charge other things like the board. So one thing that you can do to reverse on a billing day, first of all, make sure that you are logged in as the administrator. And then you go back to where you create your invoices. Right there, you're going to have under tools the option to massive cancel invoices created for a particular day. The system is going to suggest the last or more recent billing day. You just select that option and cancel the invoices. As the hint here suggests, by canceling miscellaneous invoices, procedures are not deleted. Instead, they will return as unbilled procedures. The only negative side here is that you're going to lose some invoice numbers, but that's not a big hurt. Once you have the procedures returned as unbilled, make sure you charge, as in my example, the recurring. And once you have the recurring charged, you go ahead and bill one more time. For the second round, the procedures will be entered into the most recent invoices and it will be in the totals. I hope this clarifies and help you with some of the struggles on the billing day. Should you have questions, let us know and we'll try to help you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.